Number 1. Home Office Desk Organizer. This is a great storage option to keep all tabletop objects organized. Number 2. Solar System 3D Crystal Ball with LED lamp base. Number 3. If you can read this, teacher is off-duty funky socks. Number 4. Creative Ceramic Musician Coffee Mug. They are very interesting and artsy. Perfect gift for teachers. Number 5. Embroidery Teacher Tote Bag. Express your love and gratitude to your teachers with this bag. She will definitely be surprised and delighted when receiving this gift. Number 6. Thank You Teacher Engraved Nightlight. Engraved with meaningful words and sunflower, it is a perfect gift for your teacher to express your appreciation. Number 7. Metal Feather Bookmarks. A unique design bookmark that makes a cute gift for your teacher or any book lover in your life. Number 8. It takes a big heart to teach little minds. Thank You Teacher Gift Keychain with a nice gift bag.